Friends, welcome to this wonderful world of Vedic Maths. This channel is creative and academic oriented space where ancient sutras become modern magic tricks. You will be able to solve mathematics problems in lightning fast speed in seconds. Wish you happy learning. Let's get started. Friends, in our previous videos, we explored the Nikhilam Sutra in reasonable detail and saw how beautifully it works for special case of multiplication. Now, we are moving on to a true powerhouse. The Urdhva tiryagbhyam Sutra, the general formula for all types of multiplications. This sutra means vertically and crosswise. Friends, get ready to discover one of the most versatile and powerful tool in Vedic Maths. Friends, it is going to make multiplication feel like magic. Friends, let us solve a simple problem to multiply 73 into 37 and understand the process clearly. Let me explain the process step by step. The first, arrange the two digits in two columns each as shown in figure. Next, start the vertical and crosswise multiplication process. Step 1 is the first column vertical multiplication. It gives 7 into 3 is equal to 21. Step 2 is crosswise multiplication of column 1 and 2 and addition. It gives 7 into 7 plus 3 into 3 is equal to 58. And step 3 is vertical multiplication of column 2 digits. It gives 3 into 7 is equal to 21. Friends, in the result of each step, except column 1 values, in all other steps only unit place digit must be retained. Other digits must be carried over to the previous stage and added to that column result. This process must be continued till you reach the first column added result. The last process is to append all the column digits to get the final answer. Therefore, 73 into 37 is equal to 2701. That is the answer. Please note, A. The multiplication process is done from left to right, and B. Transferring of carryover is done from right to left. Friends, let us multiply 68 into 32. Now, I am going to narrate only your thinking process. Step 1, 6 into 3 is equal to 18. And step 2 is 6 into 2 plus 3 into 8 is equal to 36. And step 3 is equal to 8 into 2 is equal to 16. Retaining only unit place digit and transferring the remaining digits to the previous step and adding, we get 21, 7 and 6. Therefore, 68 into 32 is equal to 2176. That is the answer. Hope you do mentally yourself and confirm that you are going to get the answer within few seconds. Try it, friends. You need not even draw the figures as I have drawn. I have drawn only to explain the process. Friends, now let us multiply 98 into 98. Step 1 is 9 into 9 is equal to 81. And step 2 is 9 into 8 plus 9 into 8 is equal to 144. And step 3 is 8 into 8 is equal to 64. As usual, retaining only the unit place digit and carrying over the remaining digits to the previous step and adding, we get 9604. Therefore, 98 into 98 is equal to 9604. That is the answer. Friends, in this video, we solved the multiplication of two-digit numbers. In the next video, we shall solve three-digit numbers. Friends, subscribe this channel and thank you very much for watching this video.